Property taxes, what are they, how are they calculated, and what are they paying for? So this is often a topic I bring up when I'm helping people look for properties, because it's not just your monthly mortgage payment, it's not just your utility costs, and it's not just the cost of living. You also have something called property taxes, which you either pay monthly or you pay 4 times a year each quarter. Hey there, my name is Kyle Duke with Rebel Real Estate, and I've been selling real estate full-time for the past 8 years in the Durham region and the surrounding areas. Now, if you've clicked on this video and you're taking the time to watch it, I really do appreciate it. And if at any time you would like to schedule an appointment with me, please click the link in my bio or in the description box below. It will take you directly to where you can schedule a 30-minute appointment with me, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or have any general real estate questions. So as I was saying before in the video, when you buy a property, it's not just your mortgage payment, it's not your utilities, it's not just the food that you have to pay for. You also have something called property taxes, which I'll explain what they are, how they're calculated, and what they're paying for. So property tax is a levy based on the assessed value of your property, and there are 2 components that come into play, and that is the municipal portion and the educational portion. Now, the rates of the municipal portion are based on each individual municipality in the city you live in and are calculated based on the property type you own. And the educational portion is set by the provincial government and helps fund the elementary and secondary schools in Ontario. So the property taxes are calculated by using the CVA, which is your current value assessment, which is determined by MPAC, which is your Municipal Property Assessment Corporation, by multiplying the municipal and educational tax rates by the applicable home that you are currently living in. So in simpler terms, if you're a homeowner, your property is going to get reassessed every 4 years, which the assessment of that property can go up and it can go down. So since we've seen the cost of living obviously increase and the property values have gone up dramatically in the last 2 years, there's a very, very good chance, if you're a homeowner, that your property taxes heading into 2022 will be a little bit higher than what you've been paying over the last 4 years. And lastly, a question I always get is, what are my property taxes paying for? And let me explain. So property taxes are paid by the homeowners, and they are help funding services such as firefighters, police officers, libraries, schools, and so forth in your municipality. So if you're somebody that's actively looking and you want to get an idea of what those property taxes are for the specific home you're looking at, the first thing you can do is look at the MLS listing online. It will 9 times out of 10 give you the property taxes for that specific property. But if you want to get your own information and understand what your monthly expenses are going to be, the second thing you can do is ask your agent to pull the assessed value for that property based on MPAC's information. Type into Google property tax calculator for that specific municipality, punch in that assessed value, and it will do the calculations for you and give you the exact number down to the cent. So that is it. That is some information on property taxes in Ontario. I hope that provided some value to you, whether you're a current homeowner or you're looking to become a homeowner. It's not just your mortgage, it's not your utilities, and it's not just the cost of food. There is an additional cost and an expense, which is going to be your property taxes. And again, you can either pay that monthly or you can pay it 4 times a year each quarter. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. I would be happy to help. And until then, I'll talk to you soon.